Hi everyone! So today is a very exciting day. I have my Bibbidi Bobbidi box. This is my second box. This is actually a fantasy box and I'm very pleased. I don't know what's in it evidently, but with the FedEx shipping issue, if you had seen my first unboxing, it took a very long time to get here. This time they shipped my box out, I believe it was on the 23rd. It was actually supposed to come here on Tuesday. This is now Friday. It just showed up and I'm very excited to get into this. If you're interested in more information about Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, then I will link it right there for my first video. You can go check it out, and I have all the information about different boxes, price points, and other things, and I will also link it down below as well. This is the fantasy box, $59, $6.99 shipping. I will go through my preferences real quick. I know last month I gave my preferences as far as characters. I didn't explain exactly how in-depth it is. I'm pretty detailed about things. I won't go as fanatical on here about how detailed I am, but I will give you a gist about it. I put a lot of different character editions as opposed to what I had last month, just so that it gives them a wider range of what I'm interested in, and it gives them more opportunities to put items in my box, because I want to see variety, and that's what I chose for this month. I chose that I want to see different characters. So for this month, I put that I love Winnie the Pooh. I love everything Winnie the Pooh. I probably for most months will put that because that's like my all-time favorite. I also put that I would really love to see items with other characters outside of like really the main that you see. I put that I would love to have items that maybe have like rabbit or kangaroo, gopher. I mean really any of the characters I'll love. I also put that I love Lady and the Tramp, especially Lady, Angel, Scrump, Boo from Monsters Inc., Flower from Bambi. I put in there my princess preferences because I always love everything with princesses. But my most favorite princess is Belle, followed by Cinderella and Snow White. But really, I love all the princesses, so I don't have issues there. I love Beauty and the Beast. I love when I see items that are more on the feminine, pretty, or kind of girlier side as far as Minnie Mouse items. But I like Minnie Mouse as well. Fantasia, I like the Pastoral Symphony and Nutcracker Suites. I do not like the Rite of Spring segment. I'm so sorry. I just really don't have a love for dinosaurs. Like, you know, like Toy Story Rex is okay, but like legit dinosaurs I'm just not really that into. So that's not my favorite. I like World of Miss Mindy. I'm a big fan of June Kim. She's my favorite Wonderground Gallery artist. I especially love her Rapunzel Starry Night piece and her Bellin Library piece. I love bags, purses, backpacks. I mean, anything having to do with those kinds of things. I'm not really into when I see a lot of the die cut bags, which most times I can't use in the first place, and that's probably a part of it as well. I can't use bags or apparel that have metal, that have skin contact, because my skin is pretty sensitive, and I prefer having pretty versus overly bold items. I like pretty cute feminine princess, like kind of trendy girly-ish kinds of things. I mean, evidently lots of kawaii things. It's why my channel is called Kawaii Pics. I also like eco bags, and especially the ones that have like, you know, cute pouches or things where I can have my eco bag stored in it for easier portability. We do have plastic bag bans where I am, so everything here is eco-friendly. My favorite color is pink. I also like pastel colors, but I also like things that have black and blue and white and things as well. I said yes to apparel, and I gave them my sizing, and I told them that I prefer apparel to be soft and not too thin, just because I don't prefer if it's kind of see-through. And I also told them apparel wise, I'm pretty okay with most colors, except I don't want yellow unless it's pastel toned, and I'm not really an orange person unless it has to do with Tigger. Unique and soft plushes are okay. Pins, mystery bags are okay, but I prefer pins that are kind of on the cute or prettier side. I asked for no ears this month, no hair or skincare, no salt and pepper shakers, no brittle figurines, and no buttons. So without further ado, I'm sorry that was a mouthful, but let's get into this. I'm also very excited because my box is in a lot better condition this month. I do have a little bit of a dent over there, but my box for the most part looks really good, so I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna be able to keep this one. My last box was a little black and dirty on the top, so this one isn't too bad. I'm pretty excited about that. Oh, I'm so excited. This is such a magical day. Okay. Ooh, we've got some black little squares going on. Okay. Let's see. Bibbidi Bibbidi Bobbidi Society. Heads held high, touch the sky, bring your magic a Disney. Through storm and rain and dark of night, never fail to do what's right. That's so cute. Tag us in your unboxings. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes Instagram. I definitely will. A quick note about your box. I love seeing this. By selecting less items would be fine as long as the value is the same when you purchase your box. You let us know you are a quality over quantity type of subscriber. This month's box contains fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. And let me just say, this card is so cute. It's got the castle, it's got this nice glossy finish going on. Last month was kind of more like a regular cardstocky kind of yellow paper that I had gotten, but this is cute, even though it's just giving me that message. But then we've got our spoiler alert right here, so we will put this on the side. I always love all the different characters that they're always putting on here. So we've got our little confetti pieces over here. We'll put that on the side so that we don't lose it. And let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. We're kind of just going to end up ripping this. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, I want to see and don't want to see things. It looks like there's something in here that... Okay. I'm going to put this on the side. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to pull out is actually ears, which I'm okay with this because I almost bought these ears and I love this pastel pink that's going on. And I had been on the fence about buying these because I really wanted it, but I was kind of like, well, I don't really need it, but thank you, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, because now I've got them and I don't have to think about if I'm making a improper decision on things. What do I want to pull out of here next? I don't know where to start. Oh my goodness, I don't know which one to do. Oh, okay. We're gonna go with what you guys could see. Oh, I don't want to open this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go with this first. I'm getting all the confetti out of it, or foozles. Okay. It's an eco bag. Okay, so I love eco bags. This is great. My happy place, and it's got the castle. That's cute. I don't know that this is something I would pick up myself, but it's like a gift, so you just love it anyway. Oh, this is very well made. It's very sturdy. It's thick canvas. It's like a pair of jeans. Cute. It is my happy place. This bag knows me. Okay, I'm so excited. I know that this is on the slide, but look guys, it's a Disney collection showcase and it's a Miss Mindy. Oh, I don't even want to let myself know which one it is. I did actually give them a list of ones that I am loving and hoping for. Oh my goodness, do I even need a scissors? Okay, sorry, having a moment. Let me get this open. Before I open this, leave a comment below and let me know what you think this is. It will more than likely have to do with one of the preferences that I told you for my character choices. There is maybe like one character that was not having to do with my character preferences that I did tell them that I was interested in. Okay, I'm gonna leave the box this way because I think it shows who it is on the other side. I'm so excited. This is my first Miss Mindy. Oh, I am so excited. Okay. I really hope. Oh my goodness, I don't even know which one. It's a smaller one. So I'm hoping, I don't know, maybe a Cogsworth or a Lumiere. Fifi? Oh, I don't know. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It is a Cogsworth. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I'm like fumbling foam all over. Oh my goodness, I'm so thrilled. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness, now I need all of them. That's the terrible thing about when you start collecting something new, then you want all of them. Oh my goodness, these are quite heavy. I mean, he's a pretty small guy, but he's got some really good weight to him. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. So happy. Oh my goodness, that was great. I'm gonna leave him there. I don't know if we have any more items, but I'm good. Okay. All right. Let me check this real quick. Yep, we are good. Okay, so spoiler alert. Let's start off with our Cogsworth because he is right there. Okay, so our Cogsworth, oh, our cute little Cogsworth, he was $29.99. Or, I'm so sorry, it's got like little foozles over here. Our Happy Places canvas tote bag was $19.99. And the Millennial Pink ears, this was $27.99. Bring our total to $77.79 for our $59 fantasy box. I'm satisfied. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of these items. Did you think that they did a good job following my preferences? Do you think they didn't really do a good job following my preferences? I think they did a pretty good job other than the fact that I had ears in it. I do like these ears. I love the color and, you know, pastel and pink. I like it a lot. So I'm not too sad about it. I'm just a little disappointed because I had requested for no ears for this month. Let me know what your favorite item was from this unboxing. Next month is my birthday month. I will be requesting a princesses themed box. I will be going up to an ultimate box, and I felt what better way than to feel like a princess for my birthday month than to have a princesses box. So hopefully they can make that happen for me, and hopefully I will see a snack in the next box because I was really hoping I was gonna see one in this box, and unfortunately it didn't happen, but I still really love this box. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!